In this video of YouTube marketing course, I am going to show you how to create or how to make a YouTube channel trailer. In the previous video, I have already shown you how to create or how to add featured video on your YouTube channel, which is for returning subscribers. Now here I'm going to show you how to create a channel trailer, which is totally for new subscribers who haven't subscribed yet, right? Basically for the new users who haven't subscribed to your channel. So uh, the users who haven't subscribed to your channel will be able to see or will be able to watch channel trailer only. They'll be not able to watch your featured video, right? Now let me show you some points that will help you to understand that what a channel trailer exactly is. So guys, as you can see here, I have mentioned that the trailer video has a brief introduction to your channel. So basically what you need to add into your channel trailer is a brief introduction about your channel, so that the new user who is coming to your YouTube channel can understand what is this channel is all about, right? So basically you can provide a good amount of information and the introduction about your channel, that what you do here. Right now the second point is create an engaging trailer video so that people are motivated to subscribe to your channel. So basically you need to create a very engaging kind of a ads kind of a video, and it shouldn't be more than 2 or 3 minutes or maybe maximum 5 minutes, so that your subscriber, so basically the new users can get motivated to subscribe your channel, right? Now the third point is tell people about your area of video production. So basically in the introduction part you'll be telling the people that on which kind of topic or what kind of topic I create videos here, right? The fourth point, highlight your famous videos, and you can leave this playlist part. This is by mistake, right? So basically if you don't want to separately create a video for your channel trailer, you can add into the highlight. Basically you can highlight your famous video which got good amount of views, good amount of engagement as a channel trailer, right? So you can use that video as well, so that the new users can watch the best work of your YouTube channel. Then the second last point is mention your mention your video schedule if you schedule your video. So basically you can give idea to your new users that I upload videos on Mondays, or I upload videos 2 days in a week, maybe Tuesday or Thursday, like that, right? And even you can provide the timings as well, so that the new users can understand that when this YouTuber publish the content, right? At the last point I have mentioned that don't forget to add a call to action, but a word, or you can say sentence in your trailer. Basically you don't have to shy for asking your new users to subscribe your YouTube channel. So provide a call to action that you can subscribe this YouTube channel for more amazing videos in your YouTube channel, so that users can understand, or users get to know that what they have to do now, right? So this is what your channel video is for, or channel trailer video is for. Now here I have mentioned that some other things that should be kept in mind while making trailer videos. So these are the things you need to keep in mind while creating a channel trailer. The first one is create a well structured script while creating a channel trailer, right? So while creating general videos, maybe you don't create script, you just shoot spontaneously, or you just shoot randomly without any script. But whenever you are creating a channel trailer, you should create a proper script, well structured script, so that you can appeal your users, you can engage your users into the video and can ask them to subscribe your YouTube channel, right? Because this video is totally for new users, and if they visit your channel, if they get impressed with your first video, which is your channel trailer, they will subscribe to your YouTube channel, right? And ultimately you'll be able to grow your YouTube channel. Now the second point is use captions and clips. So yes, it is good to add a caption into your channel trailer as well. Third point is use high quality graphics and sound, obviously, because as I already told you that if your users get impressed with the first video, they will subscribe to your YouTube channel, right? So in order to impress them, you should use high quality graphics and sound. Keep it short, as I told you, maximum 5 minutes, but the good amount is 60-90 seconds, or maybe 2 to 3 minutes, right? Or maximum you can go up to 5 minutes. right? So this is the healthy amount, healthy length of a video, trailer video, right? Now the last point is target people's emotion. Don't show them just a video, but take them on a journey, right? So you can take them on a journey about that, how you created your channel, what is the foundation of your YouTube channel, and what type of content you are providing. So basically you can indulge them into the emotion, you can indulge them into a journey, and by doing this you will be able to make them impressed and agree to subscribe your YouTube channel, right? Now let's just understand that where we can set or where we can add a channel trailer in our YouTube studio. So for that you need to log in into your YouTube studio and drag, basically you need to go to the left hand side menu in your YouTube studio and just scroll a little bit down to the customization option. Click on the customization option, and here just above the returning subscribers, video for returning subscribers, you can add the channel trailer for the people who haven't subscribed to your YouTube channel, right? And to add, you just need to click on the add button, and the process is pretty simple. Basically you need to first upload the video and publish it on your YouTube channel so that you can see or you can watch the video here, right? Now as you can see, we have already published two videos, so I'm going to choose one of this video. Let's say I'm going to choose this one, and just I need to publish this settings, and my channel trailer has been published. Now if I go to, let's say, let me do one thing, let me copy the URL of my channel and let me go to another account from where I haven't subscribed this channel. I've added the link, and now I'll be able to see the channel trailer because I haven't subscribed from this account, right? So this is how the channel trailer looks like. And the best part of your channel trailer is that it starts automatically. You don't need to play it, it plays automatically, right? So this is how you can add a channel trailer into your YouTube channel. I hope you understood the process. I hope the every confusion is cleared about channel trailer. If you still have any question or query regarding this, you can comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. Now let's wrap up this video here. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.